Okay, here's a quick video. Sorry, it's night out. I figured I'd do a quick video of 2008. Well, I forget what year it was. Maybe 2000 to 2008 Ram 1500 rear seat fold down. So normally your seat's locked, your bench seat, and what you do is let's flip it up here. So there are 4 bolts. Right, so one here, one back there, and then on the other side, 2 over there, and then there's this 1 bolt here. You can see that there. You take that out and take your seats out, and then these here are what hold the seat in. So normally they're flipped 180, so they're higher, and they catch on this part here of the seat, and you can't move it. So what you do is you pull everything out, flip it over, and then now when you lift it up, you kind of go, if you go regular, it won't grab, but you lift the seats up here, and then watch, when I lift it up, you know, that goes up. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, and now it's in there, it grabs. It folds down, nice. Here, obviously you have your seatbelt here. You can just disconnect that. That's what that other bolt was underneath. You can disconnect it, or I'm gonna get a clip that'll kind of clip that like that. And then sometimes it's nice to have folding rear seat, and now you have the option. I'm gonna go on the other side now quickly, and there is here there's some of the sound deadening stuff that is up and higher, and you just cut that off. I'll show you over here. Okay, so here we are on the other side. This piece here, if this is in there, I found that it didn't catch on this latch here. So pretty much you just take your knife and cut it off here. So we can do it with one hand. There you go. Well, all right, take that out, and then now it will catch when you fold it up. So that's the rear seat. I know when I searched it, I only found 1 other video on it. So now there'll be 2, and hopefully that helps out. Very simple, easy. It's about like a, I don't know, 20-minute job. Just really have to pull the seat forward here and then do your stuff. So that's it. Like and subscribe, and hopefully this helps you.